Right now, AI ASMR videos are exploding. 17 million views here, 374,000 here, nearly a million on this cutting video. The creators making these are earning thousands monthly while everyone else is still setting up expensive filming equipment and dealing with messy cuts. These creators are making thousands of dollars monthly from content that costs them literally nothing to produce. Today, I'm going to show you the complete system to create these viral ASMR videos using completely free AI tools that anyone can access from anywhere in the world. Let me show you just how explosive this trend is. Based on the examples we can see, channels are rapidly gaining hundreds of thousands of followers by consistently posting AI-generated ASMR content. The engagement on these videos is notably high because of the satisfying, repetitive nature that ASMR audiences crave. On YouTube, ASMR content generally performs well due to its relaxing nature that keeps viewers watching. While retention rates vary, the niche has a dedicated audience that actively seeks out this type of content. For monetization, YouTube long-form videos typically earn $1 to $5 per thousand views. However, YouTube Shorts earn significantly less, usually 1 to 5 cents per thousand views. TikTok's Creator Fund pays around 2 to 4 cents per thousand views. The real value comes from building an audience that you can monetize through other methods like sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or directing traffic to higher-paying platforms. Here's the best part. While everyone else is copying the same old YouTube strategies, this ASMR niche is still relatively fresh with plenty of room for new creators. The barrier to entry is incredibly low, since you don't need any physical materials or equipment. In the next 11 minutes, I'll walk you through my complete system. First, I'll show you how to generate perfect prompts that create viral-worthy concepts. Then we'll create realistic images using the best free tools available. Next, we'll transform those images into videos with realistic sound effects. After that, I'll teach you the editing secrets. Finally, we'll cover the upload strategy and monetization techniques that turn views into profit. And yes, every single tool I'm showing you today has a completely free tier that gives you everything you need to upload your first video today. First, we need to master the art of creating prompts that generate viral ASMR concepts. Open your browser and go to ChatGPT.com. Once you're logged in, click on Explore in the sidebar, then search for Make ASMR Images and Prompts. This is a custom GPT model that I've been using to generate hundreds of viral concepts. Click on the first result and hit Start Chat. This specialized model understands exactly what makes ASMR content go viral and will generate both detailed prompts and the concepts for you. Let's start with something proven to work. Type glass avocado green color and hit enter. Look at this detailed prompt it generated. It includes every element needed for a viral ASMR video: the material properties, lighting, cutting motion, even the sound specifications. This is exactly what separates viral content from amateur attempts. The GPT will ask if you want to generate the image. Say yes, then choose your aspect ratio. For TikTok, choose 9:16. For YouTube, pick 16:9. I'm going to start with TikTok since that's where these videos perform best initially. Let's create a few more viral concepts. Try honey watermelon, lava orange, and ice crystal banana. Each one gives you a complete detailed prompt that's designed to go viral. Notice how each prompt is specifically crafted for ASMR. It includes details about texture, sound, lighting, and camera movement. This isn't just random image generation. This is strategic viral content creation. Alright, now we've got our prompts ready, but we need to turn them into actual images. While the GPT can generate images, I found a much better approach that gives us way more control. Let's head over to Leonardo.ai. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and create one. It's completely free. What I love about Leonardo is they give you 150 credits every single day, which is more than enough to create several ASMR videos. Once you're logged in, look for Image Generation on the left side and click that. This is going to be our creative playground for the next few minutes. Now here's something important. We need to pick the right model for our images. Click on Models and scroll down until you see Lucid Realism. Trust me on this one. This model creates images that look so real, people won't believe they're AI-generated. Before we generate anything, let's get our sizing right. For TikTok videos, you'll want 768 by 1360. If you're planning to upload to YouTube as well, use 1360 by 768. Getting this right from the start saves you time later. Now let's grab that glass avocado prompt we created earlier. Go back to your ChatGPT tab, copy that detailed prompt, and paste it right into Leonardo's text box. Here's something I learned through trial and error. Always add this little extra bit at the end. Professional studio lighting, ultra-realistic, 8K quality, highly detailed surface textures. It sounds fancy, but it actually makes a huge difference in the final result. Set this to generate 4 images instead of just 1. Why? Because sometimes the first result isn't perfect, and having options means you can pick the best one without wasting more credits. Okay, check this out. Look how realistic these turned out. The way the light hits the glass surface, the detail in the avocado texture. Honestly, when I first started doing this, results like these blew my mind. Pick whichever one catches your eye the most and download it. Now we just repeat this whole process for our other concepts. The honey watermelon, that lava orange, and the ice banana we planned out earlier. Now comes the magic. Turning these static images into mesmerizing videos with realistic sound. We're using Hailuo AI, which is free and works from anywhere in the world. Go to hailuo.video and sign up for your free account. Hailuo gives you generous daily credits and produces incredibly realistic video results. Click on Image to Video in the main menu. This is where we'll bring our images to life. Upload your first image. Let's start with the glass avocado. Once uploaded, you'll see a prompt box where we need to describe the action we want. Here's the crucial part. The video prompt is different from the image prompt. Type, close-up shot of a knife slowly cutting through the glass avocado, showing the blade slicing cleanly through the translucent green surface. Static camera angle, smooth cutting motion, realistic physics. Click on Advanced Settings and make sure these are selected. Click Generate and wait about 2 to 3 minutes. This is incredible! Look at how realistic the cutting motion is. Now, if you would like to create a watermark-free version or better quality, you can use this tool called WAN. It has a web version that gave me this result here. You can create videos and pictures here, but for the unlimited creation, you can use their AI and run it on your PC for free. But you have to have a very strong PC to create similar videos to these. If you would like me to create a tutorial on how to do that, let me know in the comments. To make these videos truly viral, we need strategic editing. Open CapCut.com and click Create Video Online. Create a new project and choose the 9:16 aspect ratio for TikTok format. Upload all the videos we just created. Drag your first video to the timeline. Here's the secret. We're going to create a compilation that keeps viewers watching for the maximum possible time. Add text overlays with engaging hooks. Click Text and choose a bold, readable font. Add text like Glass Avocado ASMR or Wait for the Satisfying Cut. Between each video, add smooth transitions. Go to Transitions and choose Fade or Smooth. This keeps the flow seamless and hypnotic. If you want to add audio, you can go to a site like Pixabay that offers free sound effect. You can choose from many of the effects, or you can add music in the background. But since this is ASMR, I would recommend adding sound effects. You can create perfect loops by duplicating your video clips. This can make viewers watch multiple times, increasing your retention rate. Preview your complete video. It should flow smoothly from one satisfying cut to the next, with clear audio and engaging text overlays. Let's talk money. ASMR content has multiple revenue streams. YouTube ad revenue. If you are uploading long videos, ASMR videos earn $3 to $6 per 1,000 views due to highly engaged audiences. A video with 1 million views could earn $3,000 to $6,000. Brand partnerships. Relaxation apps, sleep products, and wellness brands pay premium rates for ASMR content promotion. Merchandise. ASMR-themed products, relaxation tools, even digital wallpapers from your viral images. TikTok Creator Fund, Instagram Reels Play Bonus, YouTube Shorts Fund. These platforms are paying creators to keep producing engaging content. Timeline to monetization. Some creators see their first viral video within 30 days. YouTube Partner Program eligibility typically comes within 2 to 3 months of consistent uploading. Your action plan is simple. Create 5 different ASMR concepts using the method I showed you. Generate videos for each concept. Upload consistently, at least 3 times per week. Analyze which concepts perform best and create variations. Scale to daily uploads once you find your winning formula. Build your community by responding to comments and creating content based on viewer requests. ASMR audiences are incredibly loyal once you hook them. If this tutorial helped you understand how to tap into the viral ASMR goldmine, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. I'm constantly finding new AI tools and viral strategies to share with you. The ASMR revolution is just beginning, and you now have everything you need to be part of it. Start creating, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.